Hi, this is Nigel Kennedy from the Village Dental Centre in Brighton, the home of pain-free dentistry. I'm here today to talk to you about dental implants, what they are, how they are done, and what the benefits are. What is a dental implant? Well, basically it's a little device that's almost like a screw, about that size. We use it in situations whereby patients lost teeth, they've got maybe gaps they're unhappy about, they don't want to have a bridge because a bridge involves work on teeth on either side of the gap. So the nice thing about dental implants can be just put straight into the hole where the tooth was missing. It can be used in situations whereby patients have got a denture that maybe doesn't fit so well anymore, or never did fit, and they're embarrassed to go out for a meal or to speak or go out in company because of this denture holding them back. By fitting a couple of dental implants below the denture, we can connect it up so the denture will fit much more tightly and save them all that embarrassment. In fact, they should be able to go out and eat a steak if they want after that. We're that confident that they'll gain a benefit from it. We do them at the Village Dental Centre in rather a unique new way. I went on a course in San Francisco this year, and the benefits really to this new system are that it's much quicker, it's less invasive, less aftercare, and from the patient's point of view it's less onerous a procedure, and that's very appealing. A lot of patients are a bit worried about what a dental implant might involve. The advantage to our technique are that all we need to do is make a tiny little hole in the gum about the size of a matchstick, the head of a matchstick. We make a tiny little hole there, thread the implant through it and just tighten it up, and then we can then start to take a mould immediately to have a crown or a cap fitted on top of that. Only 2 months later we can fit that. If we compare that to the conventional means, is that the gum, there's a cut made in the gum, the dental implant's put, it's buried below the gum is stitched over the top of it all, and then 2 to 3 months later, when we're satisfied it's healed, we then have to go and find that implant again and start connecting up the next phase. So it's a long drawn out procedure, sometimes 3 to 6 months, involving 2 lots of surgery. There's no surgery really involved in our process other than just a tiny little drill hole in the gum, as I said, the size of a matchstick head. You put the implant in straight away then. It comes with our pain-free guarantee as well, like all our dental procedures. We go as far as we can to make sure that you don't feel anything, otherwise you will receive your money back. We do that by using anaesthetic paste, which numbs your gum up before we even start. We use the anaesthetic warm to body temperature so it doesn't sting, and we use ultra short and very fine needles, and really you won't feel anything with the injection, and after that you can relax. If you really are concerned and worried that it might be too much for you, you could even consider sedation or sleep dentistry. We have our friend Rex, who's an anaesthetist, been with us for 20 years. He can look after you and make sure you're perfectly comfortable throughout the whole procedure. So if dental implants are something you'd like to find out more about or have us send something to you, then please ring us on Brighton 88 55 22, or contact us at the Village Dental Centre in Brighton. You can find us on www.villagedentalcentre.co.uk. Thank you very much.